Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to be talking about Cron. And it's all coming up next. So in today's episode, I thought I would go ahead and do an episode on Cron. And you might ask, well, what is Cron? Well, it is a pretty cool calendar app. Now, I have messed around over quite some time trying out different calendar apps and stuff like that, but I found Cron to probably be the easiest, sleekest, just, I don't know, a cool calendar that I've actually stuck with. I've never liked Google Calendar, although obviously I have to have Google Calendar attached to this because it's not like a standalone calendar app. But, you know, unlike Fantastical, which was also out that I've tried, I don't know, I just like Cron a lot better. It just seems to work a lot better, seamless, more user-friendly, just a pretty well-rounded calendar app. And they were recently, well, I don't know, recently, I think it was last year, were bought out by Notion. And so Notion integration is here. You can actually attach your Notion files now to your Cron calendar, which is very helpful if you want to, say, if you got a meeting coming up and you want to attach some stuff you have in Notion to that calendar event, then you just pull up that calendar in, click on that file name or what have you, and it'll pull right on up into Notion. It's a pretty cool concept. So in today's episode, I just kind of want to give you all a brief overview of Cron, and just kind of show you just a little bit of it. And in later episodes, I'll go into a little bit more detail with it. But I really use it just for keeping track of my calendar events and stuff like that, and just I also do a lot of time blocking, as you can see here on the screen right now. So as you see, I have opened up this month, which is about over with. We're on the 30th as of this recording, and I usually have it set for the 3-day time frame because I like this view a little bit better. Kind of lets you know what's coming up in the next couple of days. I could have it on a week if I wanted to, but my eyes, not that they're bad, I don't know, for me, I just like the 3-day view a little bit better than the week view. But the week view is fine. I mean, it's cool if you want to know that kind of information. And also you have the month view as well. But another cool thing is this. You have the day view, of course, obviously, but you also have a number of days you can select. So some calendar apps only have like a 3-day, or 5-day, right? But you can select 2-day view if you want. You can select any one of these number of days to view. And I usually keep it on, like I say, 3. Now, of course, there are some shortcuts, so I can just hit number 2 and go to 2-day if I want. Hit number 1 to go to 1 day, or maybe I want to go to a 5-day view. See, I just hit the numbers, and so it's got nice little cool keyboard shortcuts. And like I say, the cool thing about the Cron now is that you can actually attach your Notion workspace pages and files to this. So let's say, for instance, I was going to create a meeting for, I guess, the 1st, right? And I want to title this meeting, if I can spell, client, right? So I say meeting with client, okay? And then I can just go down here to docs and links, click on that, and here comes my Notion page. Now, I can create a Notion page, or I can choose from one of these that's in here already, right? So maybe I want to just click on this one for right now. And let's pretend this is a page that I really wanted associated with this. All I have to do then, once that event comes up, is just click on that, and it automatically opens up my Notion page and right to today's agenda. See? Pretty cool, huh? So you can attach different things to Cron that makes it kind of helpful when you go into these meetings, or maybe you want to collaborate with someone. This is just a pretty cool thing. And like I say, over here you can put a location that you're going to have the meeting. Maybe it's right here at Nick Mayer Chevrolet for whatever reason, right? You can add participants. You can send, I think it's Zoom call links. You can also, it's just so many different cool things you can do with it. I just really am quite impressed with this calendar. Moving things around is pretty easy. Like I have this right here, I can just move it up to here. It gives me the same dealio as say Google Calendar does, and you can choose to move just this event or the following events or all events, right? Or you can discard changes like I just now did. You can can go in their settings. There's some settings here that you can change. Also, let's see, you got other little things up here you can do with Cron. It's just like I said, a well thought out version of a calendar app that I've ever seen. Works really well on mobile apps too. It's just a really good, well thought out design, I think. But anyways, y'all let me know what you think of Cron. Have you used Cron before? Have you heard of Cron, or have you not heard of Cron? Just leave me a comment down below. I'd kind of like to know. And you know, if you like this episode, make sure you hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so by now. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.